Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the edge of the universe? Welcome to a journey that transcends the boundaries of our earthly realm, venturing into the vast, cosmic expanse that surrounds us, an expanse we know as the universe. The universe, in its simplest definition, is the entirety of space, time, and all their constituents. It's the grand stage where the drama of cosmic events unfolds, where galaxies twirl in a celestial dance, where stars are born and die, and where planets, including our own, find their place. In this cosmic expanse, we find everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, from the faintest whispers of cosmic radiation to the most violent star explosions. It's a realm of extremes where the very small meets the very large, and where the very old encounters the very young. It's a place where matter and energy intertwine in an eternal cosmic ballet, governed by the laws of physics. The universe is not just about the space we see, it also involves time, the fourth dimension. Time, which moves forward relentlessly, shaping the universe and everything within it. From the birth of stars to the evolution of galaxies, time is the unseen hand guiding the cosmic spectacle. But how big is this universe? That's a question that even the brightest minds find hard to answer. We can measure the observable universe, the part of the universe we can see from Earth. It's about 93 billion light-years in diameter, but the entire universe, its size remains an enigma. It's like an unending story, a book with infinite pages. We're but a tiny speck in this vast cosmic ocean, a single note in the grand symphony of existence. Now let's think about the unimaginable. Let's venture to the edge of the universe. What would we find there? Could there be a cosmic boundary, a final frontier beyond which nothing exists? Or could there be something more, something profound and mind-boggling? But what happens when we reach the edge? What lies beyond? Let's delve deeper into the celestial abyss and unravel the mysteries of the unseen universe. Scene script. Scientists have proposed several theories about what lies beyond the universe. As we delve into these theories, it's crucial to remember that they are not mutually exclusive. It's entirely possible that more than one, or even all of them, could be correct. Firstly, let's explore the multiverse theory. This theory suggests that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics. Just as countless bubbles can float in a bathtub, countless universes could be floating in the cosmic sea. Next up is the infinite universe theory. This theory proposes that the universe extends infinitely, without any edge or boundary. It implies that if you were to travel in a straight line, you would never reach an endpoint. Instead, you would continue to encounter galaxies, stars, and planets, much like our own, forever. Lastly, we have the bubble universe theory. This theory is a variant of the multiverse theory. It proposes that our universe is like a bubble in a sea of other bubble universes. Each bubble universe could have its own laws of physics, its own version of reality. Now you might be wondering, which of these theories is the most likely? Well, the truth is, we don't know. As of now, these theories remain in the realm of speculation. Scientists are still developing technologies and methods to test these theories. One of the biggest challenges in proving these theories is their scale. These aren't concepts that can be tested in a laboratory. They involve the whole universe and potentially even other universes. However, that doesn't mean these theories are unfounded. They are based on our current understanding of the universe and the laws of physics. They are the result of rigorous mathematical calculations and theoretical physics. So, while we may not have definitive answers yet, these theories give us a glimpse into the possibilities of what could lie beyond our universe. They challenge our perception of reality and push the boundaries of our imagination. Each of these theories presents a different view of what could exist beyond our universe. Scene script. Let's begin with the multiverse theory. Imagine for a moment, if you will, that our universe is not alone. Picture it as just one of countless others, each existing in its own separate reality, yet all part of the same cosmic quilt. This is the essence of the multiverse theory. Some scientists propose that there's not just one universe, but an infinite number of universes. These universes aren't just scattered randomly throughout space-time. Instead, they exist in parallel to each other, like pages in a never-ending book, each one with its own unique set of laws and constants. It's like having an infinite number of cosmic roll of the dice, with each universe representing a different outcome. In some universes, the laws of physics may be almost identical to ours, leading to galaxies, stars, and planets similar to what we're familiar with. In others, the laws could be so vastly different that they're beyond our human comprehension. Now you might be wondering, how is it possible for these other universes to exist? The answer lies in the field of quantum mechanics. According to this theory, particles can exist in multiple states at once, only collapsing into one state when observed. Extend this idea to the universe as a whole, and you get the concept of the multiverse. Yet, as intriguing as this idea is, it remains a theory, a speculation. We can't directly observe these other universes, and our scientific tools are currently incapable of proving their existence. But the multiverse theory continues to captivate scientists and laymen alike because it opens up a realm of endless possibilities. What if there are universes where time runs backwards, or universes where the fundamental forces of nature are completely different from ours? What if there's a universe where you're the one explaining the multiverse theory to me? The multiverse theory challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos. It suggests that our universe, vast and complex as it is, could be just a tiny speck in an even larger cosmic landscape. Could we be just one of an infinite number of universes? The next theory we'll explore is the infinite universe theory. Imagine a universe that goes on forever, a cosmos without boundaries, without edges, without an end. This is the concept proposed by the infinite universe theory. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? It's like trying to picture the largest number you can think of, and then realizing that there's always a number bigger. To understand the infinite universe theory, we first need to clarify what we mean by infinite. In this context, infinite doesn't necessarily mean limitless in a physical sense, rather it suggests that the universe extends indefinitely, without an endpoint or boundary. This theory is based on the concept of space-time, which combines the three dimensions of space with the fourth dimension of time. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, space-time is not static but dynamic. It can stretch, bend, and warp. So, when we talk about an infinite universe, we're actually talking about an infinite space-time. The infinite universe theory also implies that the universe is flat. To visualize this, think of the universe as a sheet of paper. If you keep going in one direction, you'll never come back to your starting point because the paper doesn't curve back on itself. But here's where things get really interesting. If the universe is truly infinite, then every possible event must occur an infinite number of times. This is known as the infinite monkey theorem. Given an infinite amount of time, a monkey randomly hitting keys on a typewriter will eventually type out the complete works of Shakespeare. Similarly, given an infinite universe, every possible configuration of matter and energy must occur an infinite number of times. This means there could be an infinite number of galaxies, stars, planets, and even versions of you and me, all existing somewhere out there in the infinite cosmos. It's a dizzying thought, isn't it? But it's a possibility we can't rule out. What if space doesn't end but continues on forever? Finally, let's consider the bubble universe theory. Just as the name suggests, this theory paints a picture of our universe as a bubble, but not just a lone bubble. Picture a child blowing bubbles into the air, each bubble floating, colliding, and coexisting with other bubbles. That's the essence of the bubble universe theory. It proposes that our universe is simply one of an infinite number of bubble universes that exist within a greater multiverse. Now you may wonder, how can there be more than one universe? Well, the bubble universe theory draws upon the concept of cosmic inflation. This concept suggests that, shortly after the Big Bang, the universe expanded at an exponential rate. But here's the twist. The theory proposes that this inflation didn't stop everywhere at the same time. In some regions, it stopped and allowed a universe to form, like our own. In others, it kept on going. Where it continued, it generated a near infinite amount of bubble universes, each with its own distinct laws of physics. But what makes each bubble universe unique? The answer lies in quantum fluctuations. These tiny random changes that occurred during the initial cosmic inflation could have resulted in variations in the physical properties of each universe. So, each bubble could have a different set of physical laws, different types of matter, even different dimensions of space and time. And here's another mind-bending idea. These bubble universes could be, right now, expanding within the multiverse, just as ours is within its own bubble. They might even collide with each other, causing cosmic ripples that we might be able to detect in the future. This theory, while still speculative, opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. It suggests that our universe, vast and complex as it is, might just be a tiny speck in an even more vast and complex multiverse. Could the universe be just one bubble in a cosmic sea of other universes? Now isn't that a thought to ponder? So, what is beyond the edge of the universe? A question that has captivated our minds for centuries. We've journeyed through a multitude of theories throughout this exploration. The unseen universe that stretches out far beyond our perception. Theories unfolded, each giving birth to new possibilities and dimensions. We've delved into the concept of the multiverse, pondered over the infinite universe theory, and wandered through the idea of a bubble universe. Each theory, a testament to our unquenchable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of understanding the unknown. But remember, these are just theories, hypotheses yet to be proven or refuted.